Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to add a link in HTML and style it with CSS. First, in your index.html file, let's set up the basic structure and link the style.css file. In style.css, we'll add a universal reset, margin 0, padding 0, and set box sizing border box for easy layout. Next, style the body to take up the full screen height and width, 100 VH and 100%, and give it a nice background color. To make sure our content is always perfectly centered, we use a set of properties that enable the flexible layout, allow our items to stack, and then position them exactly in the middle, both horizontally and vertically. Back in the HTML, add an H1 element with the text HTML link. Let's style that heading. Set a large font size, a light color, add an underline, and give it some bottom margin to space out the link. Time for the link. Add an anchor tag, A, with the href attribute pointing to Google, and the text, Google it. By default, links have an annoying blue color and underline. Target the A tag in CSS. Set a good font size, remove the default underline with text decoration, none, and set the color to black. To make it interactive, use the hover pseudo class. When the user hovers over the link, we'll re-add the underline and change the color to red. And that's it. We've created a styled centered page with a functional link that gives the user great visual feedback. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.